Alright, I'm in Ushuaia, and this is the furthest, most southern city in the world. Alright, we're gonna start walking down the main strip. I'm in front of the Hard Rock Cafe. Gonna zoom out, and it's pretty jumping right now for such a small city on a Friday night. So we're just gonna go ahead and walk down the street. We're gonna cruise on down the street. I'm gonna show you some things right here. This is the Pizza Mar. It's a little joint for getting a late night eats. We're just gonna cruise on down the street. We have some locals right here. Just want to say hi. You from here? De donde?
Saludos, de acá Ushuaia.
Oh, Ushuaia. All right.
Colombia.
Colombia. See you guys. See you. And so we're just gonna cruise down the street, and this is the Hard Rock Cafe. That's the rock shop right there. We have that alligator, you know, the alligator that goes on the shirts right there. I'm not sure exactly what, lactose or whatever you call it. Anyway, that's alligator. So there's a lot of shops around here. There's a Hard Rock Cafe, the rock shop. It's open right now, I believe. I see some people coming out, or maybe they're just coming out of the hotel. I'm not quite sure. But we're just gonna cruise on down the street. And it's actually lively right now. People still coming out of the bars, you know. And streets kind of reminds me of Iceland a little bit, except for it's on the other side of the world. All right, we're gonna keep on cruising down the street. A lot of stores, shoe stores going on right there.
Hello.
Hellos, got some hellos going over. All right, and we're just gonna keep on cruising down the street. So right now we are in the fall time down in Ushuaia. All right, the fall time, and it is only, I believe it's March, late March right now, and people are, this is the fall time in the southern hemisphere. People wearing coats, the weather's starting to get cool, they're just coming out of their summertime. And just walking down, cruising on down the street. You see right here, looks like some of the native population right here in dress right here. I'm not exactly sure what that says, but we're just gonna keep on cruising down the street. So this is the main strip. If this was called the main street, this would be their main street. Just to see you, poor, okay, Justice. All right, I go ahead and cruise on down the street. People just want to be on camera. Not many cameras come around here that often. Whole lot. Now, this is Argentina. All right, so Argentina, they speak Espanol. But there's a huge Italian population, but they all speak Espanol, Spanish, if you're not familiar with my French. It's people cruising down the street, some people going home, had a couple of beers, and going home to be with their loved ones to release the beer. Just gonna keep on cruising down the street. Some shops still open, but majority of them are closed because it is late. It is late in the hour of the day. And I might cruise on down the street during the daytime when some of these stores are open, so you can get more of a view of all of the people that are shopping down here during the day. But until then, we're gonna keep on cruising down the street. I think I see Lassie limping across the street. All right, good to see Lassie. See Lassie right here? Is that a wolf? That's Lassie. Run, Lassie, run. All right, we're gonna keep on cruising down the street. And what is this right here? Tickets. Ushuaia. Okay, so those are excursions right there. I'm gonna have to check out that. We're gonna keep on cruising down the street. It is quite lively. A lot of cars going up and down the street. So late, it's close to midnight. If people are still out, don't see a lot of stores open. But people are definitely enjoying it. I think some sort of bar is up there. I'm gonna walk up there to see what's going on up here. So cruising on up the street, not down the street. Some stairs right here. Not going to heaven right there, but it's going somewhere. Looks like a wine shop. Gonna see what this is up here. It is an Irish pub. And Irish pubs are always up and popping. All right. Just gonna go up there and see what this looks like. And it is indeed an Irish pub. People getting belligerent. Gotta look through the peep through the window really quick. See what it looks like. See what's going on in there. There's all sorts of people in there enjoying a couple of brew. Oh, excuse me. Just gonna keep on cruising down the street. A lot of people there. Go there. Just gonna keep on cruising down the street. These are awkward stairs right here. I'm not complaining. A jumbotron, except for it's not jumbo, it's just a tron. I keep on cruising down the street. Still a ginormous amount of people walking down the street. Cyclists. A lot of cyclists going up and down the street. What is this? Patagonia Fagino restaurant. Nice menu that they have going on right here. I gotta take a look at it. Maybe look at it a little bit later. There's people window shopping because a lot of the stores are closed. Just gonna keep on cruising down the street. Keep on cruising down the street. So this is the clock tower. I heard it ring not too long ago, as I think the clock struck 12. It's midnight. Don't see Cinderella anywhere. Dog coming. Quaint town. Let's get another look at the clock tower before I keep on cruising down the street. Nice clock tower with a clock at the top of the tower. down the street. Look both ways before I cross the street. Don't want any accidents happening. There's quite a bit of stores, which I'm surprised by. So many stores. Architecture is quite interesting. Can't quite tell what to make of it. Looking forward to see what it looks like during the daytime. Cruising down the street. A few stragglers as the bars close. Not seeing many bars, maybe convenience stores over here and there. Not exactly sure. Looks like a pharmacia. Let's check it out. It's closed though. There's an ice cream shop. Let's cross over here, see what this is all about. Maybe we get a little bit of ice cream. As soon as I can find my mask. I walk in here. Ice cream. Ice cream going on. Let's see what kind of flavors they have right here. A lot of flavors. Definitely more than Ben and Jerry's. see?
Sí, puede ser.
Just gonna keep on cruising down, see what else they have over here. A lot of ice cream flavors.